Hey, how's it going, everyone? I hope y'all having a great day. So today we're going to be levitating. We're going to learn Dua Lipa's Levitating. But before we get into it, please check out my new single, Every Day. Link is in the description. Also, if you like my sound libraries for my beat remix, please check out the source sound library there. Also, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Most important, subscribe, click the bell, and share this video to someone you think that might like it. So let's learn Dua Lipa's Levitating. Dua Lipa's Levitating, I believe, is in the scale of B minor. That consists of B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. Now, I'm pretty certain that this is exactly the key when I play it. Now, particular notes, remember, folks, I'm just going on by ear, so I might miss a note or two, but the idea is that key, just keep it in the key of B minor and you won't go wrong. Now, before we get into the bigger parts, the main notes that I really use is B, D, E, and F sharp. You're just gonna, and you'll see. So let's get to the main chunk.
I want you, you want me, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way. We're renegading, yeah.
All right, so I'll do that a little bit slower. Here we go.
I want you, you want me, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way. We're renegading, yeah.
Do a modulation at the end there. So for the hook, it's pretty much the same notes, so I'll play that.
I need you all night. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. I need you all night. You're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
All right, so for the ad-libs, the notes that I hear are B, D, E, F sharp.
Ooh.
Come on down.
Ooh.
Using the same notes. And then I hear them accenting moonlight.
Ooh, moonlight.
So D, E, F sharp. And then, again, as long as you stay in B minor, you pretty much will keep up with the song. So there you have it, Dua Lipa's Levitating. Please check out my new single, Every Day. It's got talkbox in there, so I know you're going to like that. Also, please check out my sound library source. Again, all links in the description. And if you've gotten this far, hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, subscribe and click that bell. Most important, share the video to someone you think that might like it. Again, this was Martin Ross teaching you Dua Lipa's Levitating. Y'all take care.